Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are Group 9 and today we will be presenting on Glove Corporation Berhad, a global leader in glove manufacturing, and analyzing its supply chain management. Before we begin, let us introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is AQILAH binti MOHD. My student ID is 202309D0028.
Hi, my name is JUANG MING. My student ID is 202309D0003.
My name is DARSENI RAMESH. My student ID is 202309D002.
Hello everyone, my name is DASHYINII RAMESH and my student ID is 202309D0016.
Greetings, I am SALMEIH MATJANIPAH, student ID 202305D0052.
Hi, my name is JEROLD JEZANIAH EDWARD and my student ID number is 202305D0013.
We will cover topics such as business growth, product profile, supply chain component, challenge and future outlook. Now, let's take a look at the Top Glove journey from a small factory turned into a global leader. As previous slide, we have know that the Top Glove founded in 1991 and it grew becomes Malaysia's largest glove exported by 2010 and expand its product range significantly over the years. As you can see the timeline, the company expansion accelerated during the COVID-19 pandemic. Move on to the product profile and global market present. Top Glove have catered to diverse their industry by producing their glove to meet the global standard safety. They have different types of glove they have produced, which is latex glove, nitrile glove, violent glove, and surgery glove for various industry and fields to use the glove. Going on to the global impact, the Top Glove have separate their manufacturing facility across Thailand, China, Malaysia, and Vietnam. And Top Glove also want to export their product and expand their market to the US, Europe, Japan, and Middle East. Next, let's discuss about the business strategy and competitive advantages of the Top Glove. The company has benefited by it has on a large-scale manufacturing capabilities, vertical integrations, and continuous innovations. Top Glove also has invested in a green energy and ethical labor practice to ensure they get the long-term success. Continue to the important aspect of Top Glove operations is sustainability. The Top Glove company have focused on reducing its carbon footprint, improving worker welfare, and adhering to the international regulations. For example, the Top Glove company have initiated the water recycling and it have success to cut off the water consumptions by 40%. Look ahead to the future outlook and strategy focus of the Top Glove company. The first thing is the challenge that raw material pricing fluctuate, such as the cost of the rubber and nitrile, because it depends on the global supply demand is dynamic. Next is the regulations complaints, such as to adapting to US and Europe trade law, labor policies and quality control are required. Lastly, the market competitions compete with major glove manufacturing from China and Thailand. While the time to Top Glove to increase their digital transformations, market expansions, and strengthening their supply chain will be the drive to the future success. With that, I conclude my part and I will like to pass my group member to present the next page. Thank you.
Let's analyze the three main components of Top Glove's supply chain. First, breakdown procurement, manufacturing, and distributions. Raw materials are sourced carefully, production is highly automated, and distribution networks ensure timely delivery worldwide. Real-life examples. For instance, Top Glove's use of automated production lines has improved effectively and reduced cost. And I will pass to my group members to present the next slide. Thank you.
To better understand the supply chain, we will use the SCOR, Supply Chain Operations Reference Model. Okay, so the first component in the SCOR model is plan. And plan involves demand forecasting, inventory planning, and aligning supply with demand. This step ensures smooth operations and cost efficiency. Second is source. Source deals with selecting suppliers, procuring raw materials, and managing supplier relationships to ensure quality and reliability. And the third component is make. Make covers the manufacturing process, including production, scheduling, quality control, and assembly of final products. Okay, the fourth one is deliver. Deliver focuses on logistics, order fulfillment, transportation, and ensuring timely delivery to customers. Okay, the fifth one is the last component is return. Return manages product returns, defective goods, and reverse logistics to enhance customer satisfaction and sustainability. Okay. For example, a company uses demand forecasting to maintain optimal inventory levels, reducing shortages and excess stock. Okay, this enhances efficiency across the entire supply chain. So that's on my part. Thank you for your attention.
Next, we have three specific supply chain challenges faces. The first one is raw material price fluctuation. The global market for rubber and latex is volatile, leading to unpredictable raw material costs that can impact profitability. Second, labor shortage. Dependence on foreign labor and restriction during pandemic lead to factory close and slower glove production. Operational costs also increase due to higher wages and incentive. Third, global logistic disruption. Unforeseen events such as pandemic, COVID-19 can strain logistic networks and impact production schedules, resulting in delays. I conclude my part. I will pass my group member to present for the next page. Thank you.
To overcome challenges, 3 top Glove leverages technology advancement for supply chain efficiency. Artificial intelligence improve forecasting, big data analytics to enhancing decision making and supply chain visibility, while automation enhance production efficiency for cloud computing to reducing labor costs and also improving consistency. And I will pass to my group members to present for the next part. Thank you.
To wrap up our presentation, Top Glove must continue to adapting to market change, regulatory shift and technological advancements by fostering innovations and agility. The company is well positioned for long-term growth and success in this competitive global market. That concludes our discussion on Top Glove Corporation Berhad. On behalf of Group 9, we sincerely thank you for your time and attention. We are happy to answer any question you may have.